How to use Monday.com for designers. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Start by creating a project board for design tasks. Click the plus button and choose a new board, naming it Design Projects or Creative Workflow. 2nd, add columns for organizing design tasks. Include columns like task name, assigned designer, status, priority, and due date to keep track of progress. 3. Use the file column to upload design assets. Attach images, PSD files, Illustrator files, and other creative documents directly to tasks for easy reference. 4. Integrate Monday.com with design tools like Figma or Adobe Creative Cloud. This helps streamline workflows by keeping all design assets in one place. 5. Set up an approval workflow. Create an approval status column where team members can mark designs as needs revisions or approved for faster feedback loops. 6. Automate task assignments. Use Monday.com's automation feature to automatically assign tasks when a new design project is added. 7. Track progress visually using Kanban or timeline views. This helps designers manage multiple projects efficiently and ensures deadlines are met.